Oh, we're ready. We're ready. So this week we're going to talk cardigans. And these are all fabrics that would just be beautiful with cardigans. They're the right weight. They're everything. Stretch in both directions. Mostly cotton poly because they drape so well with cardigans. So let me show you what we've got. And again, all today, $14.99. This is a royal blue. It's got a texture to it. Just a fun fabric. Stretch in both directions. Cotton poly. Perfect for a cardigan. I can see 923 in this, 915, there's several, 723, anyway. This would be great. I put this in because it would work well for a cardigan, but it has stretch in both directions. It's mostly cotton, got a little bit of poly in it. It's a great plaid. It'd be perfect for like a yoga pant or a Jags pull-on because it's a plaid and it's a knit and it would be so pretty as a pant. Just a great pant and then, you know, solid cardigan with it. But anyway, I put that in. We have this little bit of, this is a sweatshirt fabric, true sweatshirt fabric, 100% cotton, fleece, it has stretch in both directions, but it has a very small stretch, very slight, I should say. Very pretty fabric though, beautiful cardigan. When we have a cardigan, especially out of something like this gray, it looks like a sweatshirt. It's a great look. This is a wonderful fabric. This is a denim. I mean, it's not a denim, it's like a Pontoroma, but it has a denim finish to it, and it's really good looking. It's very, very nice. It's mostly cotton, has a little tiny bit of poly when I burn it. Stretch in both directions. Again, $14.99. It's just a steal price. This one too. This is just going to be a great cardigan. Just really easy, casual. With jeans, I can just really see it. Backside you could use, it's solid black. Stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly, great drape. Very pretty fabric. And then this last one, this has great texture. It's black. Look at the texture on that. Just so pretty. Stretch in both directions again. And it's a cotton poly. And it has beautiful drape. So we're all about cardigans. All of these today and tomorrow, $14.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.